Welcome to the 10-Minute Mind. Upgrade your life, one big idea at a time. Imagine this. You are sitting on a white sandy beach in Bali. You have a cold drink in your hand, the sun is setting, you haven't checked your email in 3 days, and yet, your bank account is growing faster than when you were sitting in your office cubicle for 10 hours a day. Does this sound like a fantasy? A scam? Or just luck? Most people think the only way to get rich is to work 40 hours a week for 40 years, save money, and retire when they are 65, too old to enjoy it. Ferriss calls this the deferred life plan, and he says it is a trap. Today, we are breaking down the revolutionary book, The 4-Hour Workweek. We are going to deconstruct how to escape the 9-to-5, live anywhere, and join the new rich. And pay attention to step 3, because I will show you the exact tool you need to clone yourself and make this happen. Chapter 1. The new rich versus the old rich. First, we must change your definition of wealth. The old rich measures wealth by net worth. How much money do you have in the bank? If you have $10 million but you work 80 hours a week and hate your boss, are you really rich? Ferriss says, no. The new rich measures wealth by 2 things, time and mobility. Let's compare 2 people. Person A earns $100,000 a year but works 80 hours a week in a city he hates. Person B earns $50,000 a year, but works 10 hours a week and lives wherever she wants. Who is richer? Mathematically, person B earns more per hour, and lifestyle-wise, person B is free. Money has no value without the time to enjoy it. The goal is not just to be a millionaire. The goal is to live the lifestyle of a millionaire, right now. Chapter 2. Elimination, the 80-20 rule. So how do we get more time? By doing less. Most people are not productive, they are just busy. Being busy is often a form of laziness, lazy thinking and indiscriminate action. To fix this, you must apply the Pareto principle, also known as the 80-20 rule. 80% of your results come from 20% of your actions. 80% of your income comes from 20% of your clients. 80% of your happiness comes from 20% of your friends. Look at your work today. What are the 20% of tasks that actually make you money? Is it checking email every 5 minutes? No. Is it long meetings? No. It is probably creating, selling, or building. Ferriss suggests a radical step: the low-information diet. Stop watching the news. Stop scrolling social media. Check email only twice a day. Eliminate the noise so you can focus on the signal. If you don't define your time, someone else will define it for you. Chapter 3. Automation. Outsourcing your life. Now, this is the most important part. This is how you actually get to the 4-hour work week. Once you have eliminated the useless tasks, what do you do with the rest? You don't do them. You automate them, or you outsource them. The new rich understand a golden rule. Never do what you can pay someone else to do. You might think, but I can't afford an assistant, I'm not a CEO. That is old rich thinking. In the digital age, you can hire a virtual assistant or a freelancer for as little as $5. Do you need a logo for your business? Don't spend 10 hours learning Photoshop, hire a pro on Fiverr. Do you need to research 100 competitors? Don't do it yourself. Hire a researcher on Fiverr. Do you need a video editor, a writer, a coder? They are all waiting for you. I use a platform called Fiverr for almost everything in my business. It allows me to buy back my time. Think about it. If your time is worth $50 an hour and you spend 5 hours fixing a website, you just lost $250. You could have hired an expert on Fiverr to do it for $20. That is how you scale. That is how you escape the grind. I have put a link to Fiverr in the description below. Your homework today is simple. Create an account and browse. Find one task you hate doing and find someone else to do it. That is the first step to freedom. Chapter 4. Liberation. Mini-retirements. Once you have automated your income and outsourced your work, what do? The old rich waits for retirement to travel. The new rich takes mini-retirements. Instead of 20 years of retirement at the end of life, take 1 month of retirement every year. Or move to a new country for 6 months. Because your income is automated and your work is remote, you are not tied to a desk. You can work from a laptop in Tokyo, a cafe in Paris, or a beach in Thailand. This is called geo-arbitrage. Earning dollars but spending baht or pesos. Your money goes further and your life gets richer. Fear is the only thing stopping you. What if I lose my job? What if I fail? Tim Ferriss asks you to define your fear. What is the absolute worst that could happen? Usually it's not death, it's just getting another job. But the cost of inaction? The cost is a life unlived, and that is a much higher price to pay. Conclusion and final CTA. To recap the DEAL formula. D. Define exactly what you want. E. Eliminate the 80% of useless tasks. A. Automate using systems and freelancers from Fiverr. L. Liberate yourself from the office. The 4-hour workweek is not about being lazy. It's about being efficient, so you can do the things that actually matter to you, whether that is spending time with family, learning a new language, or building a business. Start building your automated team today. Check out the 10-Minute Mind Toolkit in the description to find the outsourcing tools I recommend. Don't just work hard, work smart. Subscribe for more lessons on wealth and freedom. I'll see you on the beaches of the world.